Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this project is a hydraulic pump project, and how to this project is designed, and this is a one part and all part one by one is designed here, and last is a assemble here. Okay, this is a pin to multiply 4 millimeter, and this is a 2D drafting is also available here, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a top view, and this body is a isometric view, and this is a pin, and use this assemble body and this assemble project, and all dimension in millimeter. And okay, and this design is a design here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a part and going to this part, and part is a some setting is very important, and going to this document properties, and this is image quality is very high because all geometry is looking perfect and correct. Okay, and all is perfect. Okay, and at first going to this and this use a front view, and draw a circle. Circle is this diameter is 2 millimeter, and this distance is a 4 millimeter, and this chamfer is used here 0.3 millimeter and 45-degree angle. Okay, at first select a front plane and drawing a circle. Okay, drawing a circle. Circle is this, and this is a diameter is a 2 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is perfect and correct. And going to this extrude boss, and up to 4 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and click OK. This is a perfect and correct, and use a chamfer is used here, and chamfer is a 0.3 millimeter. Okay, and 45-degree angle, and select a both side. Okay, this both side is perfect and correct. Okay, this is a looking perfect. Okay, and material is apply here. This material is select here, and going to appearance, and metal is a chrome, and this is a chrome plate is a apply here, and this. Okay, and going this isometric view. Okay, guys, this body is drawing here easily and clearly, and guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software, and how to this body is designed. And this is a pin is a 4 multiply 6 millimeter, and all dimension in millimeter, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and this body is isometric view, and this is a final project is hydraulic pump project. And how to this part design, and 2D drafting is also available here. Okay, and this is a drawing this body, and this body is how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Then okay, all 2D drafting is a help of this body is design. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. At first going to this part, and some setting is very important. And first is a plain white, and this is a option, and option is this and image quality is okay. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, at first is going to this front view. Okay, at first select a front plane, this, and draw a circle. Is a this is a radius is a this diameter is 4 millimeter, and this height is a 6 millimeter is this, and this is a chamfer is used here a 0.5 millimeter and 45 degree angle. Okay, and this is a 4 millimeter, and okay, and extrude boss base is this, and 6 millimeter is this, and okay, and chamfer is used here this and 0.5 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and select both side is this and select OK. This is perfect and correct, and this is use a material is apply here, and material is this a chrome plate, and going to metal, and okay, this is a chrome, and the chrome plate is this. Okay, and this body is drawing here easily and clearly. And guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a housing seal, and housing seal is a very important part of a hydraulic pump project, and this is a symbol of hydraulic pump project, and all one by one all part is drawing here. This is a front view, and this is a top view, and this is a right view, and this is a isometric view, and all dimension in millimeter. Okay, let's start drawing this body. And this is a drawing here how to this body is drawing easily and clearly. And okay, this is a perfect and correct, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, let's start here this body's design. Okay, at first select a part, and going to some setting is very important. At first setting is this is a plain white, and this is a going to option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry is line is looking perfect and correct. Okay, this is a drawing here. All dimension is mentioned here. At first select a plane is a front plane is better, and okay, select a front plane, and at first some construction line is a drawing here because this is a reference line, and this line is very important, and drawing a circle at first. Okay, at first drawing a circle, circle is a this. Okay, and dimension is a this is a okay, this is a 47.70. okay, this is a drawing here 47.70. okay, and 23.85 multiplied 2 is always perfect. And okay, this is a 23.85 multiply 2 is a always perfect, is a 47.70. okay, and this line is a distance between this is a gap is a 15.04 is perfect, because this is a 15.04 and this distance is a diameter and this length is a center 15.04 and this is a 47.70. this is a perfect and correct. And at first select a mirror, and this body is a select here, and going to this select a reference line is this, and okay, and connect to this point to this, okay, and also okay, this is a mirror, this select this line, and this is a this. okay, this is a perfect and correct. And some trim command is used here, power trim, and some extra portion is delete here. This is a delete because okay, this is delete here. okay, and okay, this is a perfect and correct. okay, all is a perfect. Line is better, and this line and this line is also tangent. okay, all is perfect. And going to extrude boss base is a okay, and again select use a offset command, and offset command is select here this line, and this is a offset is a 3 millimeter, and okay, 3 millimeter, and direction is a reverse. Direction is reverse is better, and okay, and this is a perfect. And going to extrude boss base, and this is a 2.2. This is a thickness is a 2.2 is better, because this is a thickness is 2.2 and this is a 2.2 is perfect and correct. okay, and okay, this is a housing seal is perfect drawing here, and color is a select a black color, because housing seal is also black color is looking perfect. And going to this isometric view, okay, this use a housing seal is perfect and correct. okay, guys, I hope you will learn all point is learner easily and clearly. okay, guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this part is a sleeve design, and how to this part is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a hydraulic pump project, and all part is one by one is a drawing here, and this body is a sleeve design, and 2D drafting is also available here. This is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and this body is a isometric view. okay, let's start here. This body is design. okay, this is a this is a software is a SolidWorks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this is a drawing here, and also use a chamfer. This is a 0.5 millimeter and 45-degree angle, and chamfer is also available here. Okay, this body is designed, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, today discuss here. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed. At first select a part, and going to this some setting is very important. At first this setting is plain white, and going to this option, and going to this document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. Okay, and some today drafting is available here, and this is a help of this body's design. Okay, and okay, at first drawing this body, and this is a okay, this plane is select here at first, and plane is a front plane is better. And this is a circle is drawing here, and this circle is red, diameter is 18 millimeter, and this thickness is 15.5 millimeter, and this is a fillet is used here. This is a chamfer, and 0.5 millimeter and 45-degree angle, and this is a offset is 1 millimeter is used here. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane is perfect, and drawing a circle is this. Okay, and drawing a okay smart dimension is a 18 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect, diameter is perfect and correct, and use a offset, and offset is 1 millimeter is perfect, and select this, and direction is a upward is perfect and correct. This is not a use a reverse, this is a outward is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is a use a offset, and select a extrude boss base is apply here, and this thickness is a 15.5 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and click OK. Okay, this is a drawing this okay, and all point is one by one is used here easily, and use this 0.5 millimeter and 45-degree angle, and this use a chamfer, and chamfer is 0.5 millimeter and 45-degree angle is perfect, and select a inside, and this click OK. Okay, all is drawing here easily and clearly, and going to this material is apply here. Select a metal is a brush, and brush is a polished brush is a perfect. Okay, this is a material is a perfect and correct. Okay, and okay, all point is a learner, and all point is complete. I hope you will learn all point is a learner easily and clearly. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this body is a leg sleeve, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a today drafting is also available here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and this is a isometric view, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view. And this project is a hydraulic pump project, and how to this part is a drawing here easily and clearly. Okay, and all dimension in millimeter. Okay, this body is designed, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And also this is a hole is created here easily and clearly, looking perfect. Okay, and this is a hole is created here. This is a length is a 2 millimeter, and diameter is also 2 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this body is designed easily and clearly. Let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a part, and part is this body is perfect. Okay, and some setting is very important, and plain white, and going to this option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a perfect drawing at first select a plane is front plane. This is a front plane is better, and this is a diameter is inside is 20 millimeter, and this is a 37 millimeter. Okay, and this thickness is a 15.5 millimeter, and this length is a 21.668 millimeter. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, and two circle is drawing here easily. Two circle is drawing. Okay, this is a inside drawing here. This is a okay, and mention or dimension is this is a 37 millimeter, and this is a 20 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and a line is select here, drawing this connect to this, and this line is a horizontal line, and some drag here. Okay, and this distance is a 21.68 millimeter. Okay, and some use a trim command, and trim command is this portion is a delete here. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and this is a select here this 21.68 millimeter, and this inside diameter is a 20 millimeter, and this is 37 millimeter is all is perfect and correct. Okay, and going to this extrude boss base is apply here, and this thickness is a 15.5 millimeter. Okay, and all is perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a perfect, and this face is select here, this face select and normal. Okay, and going to hole wizard, and this use a hole, and a standard is ISO, and type is a drill size, and hole specification is a diameter is this size is a diameter is 2 millimeter, and this is a blind, and 2 millimeter is thickness is perfect. This is the inside is 2 millimeter, and okay, all is perfect, and this is use a position, and position is a this point is a some line is this, and okay, and smart dimension is choose here, select this, and dimension is a this is 7.75 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this use a 7.75 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and click okay, this hole is created here easily, and all is perfect and correct. And going to this material is apply here, metal nickel is select here, and this is a polished nickel is correct. Okay, and isometric view is also perfect. Okay, and this use this okay, this 2D drafting is available here, and all point is one by one is discussed here, and all is perfect and correct. All is a drawing here easily and clearly. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, next lecture, this is a next lecture is coming soon, and okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a use a SolidWorks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a SolidWorks software use here, and this use a oil seal and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and all dimension in millimeter. And this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all 2D drafting is available here. Okay, and this is isometric view, and this project is very important, and this is a hydraulic pump project, and all parts is a one by one is a design here, and this is a very important, and this is a oil seal this use here. Okay, and this use this software is used here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and all this is body is looking perfect and correct. Okay, this is very nice looking here. Okay, this is very important and very nice looking here. Okay, 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 and this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and guys, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first drawing select a part, and some setting is very important. First is a plain white, and going to option, and option is this image quality is very high because all point is looking perfect and correct. Okay, okay, and okay, and this is a at first select a plane is a front plane, and this use a front view because this is a better, and drawing a drafting is a drawing here, drawing a some sketch, and all dimension is mentioned here. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, and a reference line is a drawing here, a construction line is drawing here, and this is a line is better, and select a line and drawing a okay, and drawing a constructs. This line is a drawing here. Okay, and this is a not any relation. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, okay, this is a drawing here, and this line is this, and some line is horizontal, and drawing a circle is a drawing this. Okay, and draw against a horizontal and a vertical line, and going to this and connect to this. Okay, this some sketch drawing. Okay, and at first select this mention 1 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 7 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and edit, and this is a 1 millimeter. Okay, and this use a 1 millimeter. Okay, and this use this, and at first select this point, and this line is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and this point is drag here this, okay, this line, and this is a okay, and also this and this point. Okay, select this point, press a control button and select this point. Okay, this is a perfect, and this point, and also press a control button, and this is a this point, and this point is a vertical line. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a drag here. Okay, and this is a 7. Okay, and also this line is a 2.5 millimeter. This 2.5 millimeter and this is a delete here, and drag here this and also select this distance, and it is 1 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 7 millimeter. Okay, and also this point to this distance is a 8.5 millimeter. Okay, 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 this is a perfect and correct, and select this distance is a this is a default 1.5. Okay, perfect drawing here. Okay, okay, all point is a learn here, all point is a drawing here easily and clearly, and this is a this. Okay, a drawing this distance is a 1.5 is default, and 2.5 is this, and this is a 5 millimeter and 7 millimeter and 1 millimeter, and this is also 1 millimeter, and this use a radius, and this center point distance is a 8.5 millimeter. Okay, all point is a drawing here easily, and this is use a fillet is use here 0.5, and okay, and use a fillet, sketch fillet, and point and 0.3 millimeter. Okay, 0.3 millimeter is this, and select a okay, and drawing a this, and select a this, and this, and this, and okay, and okay, but this point is drawing some drag here, and this is also drawing this distance is this, this is a delete here because some drag point is drag here, and also this is a okay, and this distance is a small distance, and this is a okay, and this use a drag here. Okay, this okay, and but this point is some a small is distance is very high, because this point some distance, this distance is a 2, but very high. Okay, and this is a delete here, and this is a delete here, and this and this point is this and some drag here, because this point is very okay. A small circle is select here this drawing this drawing a small circle. Okay, okay, this is a drag here this point, can select this. Okay, this is a very important, and okay, and this is a very nice looking here, and all point is perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a better. Okay, and select a use a revolve boss base, and this is a axis is select here, and this okay. Okay, all point is a perfect and drawing here easily and clearly, and okay, and material is apply here, and going to this metal is this brush copper, and copper is this. Okay, and okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly, and guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SOLIDWORKS software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a pipe nipple, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and all 2D drafting is available here. And this is a isometric view, and this project is a hydraulic pump project, and all parts is a one by one is drawing here, and last is all parts is a assemble here easily and clearly. Okay, this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all view is 2D drafting is available here. And this is this lecture is very important for a beginner or student. Okay, and okay, this project is very important, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this is a pipe nipple, and okay, this is a cutout is very useful. And okay, and this hexagon is drawing here, and this is a cutout, and this body is very nice looking here. And how to this body is designed and all process is learn here one by one. Okay, let's start here this body is design. At first select a part, and going to some setting is very important, because okay, and some setting is very important, because this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and all okay, and all point is setting here a very important. And at first select this all detail is you can see here on the screen. Okay, this front is a plane is select here, a front plane is better. At first select here, and this is a drawing a circle is 19 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 25 millimeter is this, and select a mid plane. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane and drawing a circle. Okay, this is circle is drawing here easily. And okay, and this diameter is a 19 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And use a extrude boss, and at first select a mid plane, because this is a very important point, and this distance is a 25 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and at first select this face sketch normal, and drawing a hexagon is drawing here this plane, this point, and drawing this. Okay, and this is a line is a horizontal line. This is a very important point. Okay, this line is horizontal. Okay, and next is use this point, and this point is select here, and this is a 25 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. This is a 25 millimeter. This okay, and this cutout is this drawing a circle, and circle is this distance is a 1.5. Okay, and select a extrude boss base, and select a mid plane. Okay, and this is a 5 millimeter. Okay, this is a not drawing is better this face, but select a plane. Okay, and this is a control. Okay, this exit here, and control Z is some point is edit here. Okay, this is a not select this face, and select a use a front plane, because this is a middle, and a sketch normal, and hexagon is drawing this, okay, and select this line and horizontal, okay, and drawing this 2 point 25 millimeter is perfect, okay, this is a perfect and correct. And going to extrude boss base is apply here, and this use a mid plane, and this a 5 millimeter is perfect, okay, because this dimension is a 5 millimeter is this is use a mid plane, okay, this is a perfect and correct, okay, okay, okay. Next is this face sketch normal, and drawing a circle, because this is a cutout is this, and smart dimension is used here, and select this point, and this line and this line is distance between 1.5 millimeter, 1.5 millimeter. This is a perfect 1.5 millimeter is perfect, and use a extrude cut, and through all is better, and select okay, okay, this is a perfect and correct. And this is a perfect, this is use a fillet, and 1 millimeter is radius, and this is a use a chamfer is this 0.5 and 45 degree angle. Use a fillet is a 1 millimeter is this, and select both side, at first this, and select this, both side is perfect and correct, okay. And again select use a chamfer is a 0.5 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and select this inside is a okay, this is not inside is perfect, delete here, select upper line this, and select this, both line is a select here, and click okay, okay, this is a perfect and correct. Next point is all point is perfect, and the next point is some cutting is a thread, and thread is a perfect, okay, and this is a perfect and correct, and this use a 2 millimeter is pitch, and this is a half is a 4.75 millimeter, and this is a full is a 9.5 millimeter, and this is a 70 degree angle, okay. At first select this face sketch, and select this upper line, and use a convert entities, okay, and exit, and use a helix and spiral, okay, this is a perfect and correct, and going to this pitch and revolution and constant pitch, okay, and this pitch is 2 millimeter is perfect, and direction is reverse direction, because this direction is change here, and this is a reverse is better. And this revolution is a 4.75 millimeter is multiplied to, and 9.5 millimeter is this is a half of this, and this is a use a 4.75 millimeter is this, and start angle is 0 degree and clockwise, all is perfect, and this is a okay, click here okay, okay, all is perfect, and select a right plane, okay, select a right plane, and sketch normal, or drawing a okay, drawing a thread, and select this, and this drawing a okay, okay, all is perfect, again drawing a center line, select up this point to this because this line is a horizontal, this is a vertical line. Okay, okay, and smart dimension is this user dimension is this is a 70, this is 70 degree. Okay, all point is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and this is user. Okay, this is a this cutout is 1 millimeter is this this distance is a 1 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is 1 millimeter, and this is a angle is 70 degree. Okay, all is perfect and correct. This point is drag here this okay, 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 this use exit and going to sweep cut, and sweep cut is a this is a profile is select here automatic here, and this select a path. Okay, and path is a okay, all is perfect and correct, and this is a okay, this is cutout is very important. Okay, and this line is hide because this body is a this thread cutting is looking perfect. Okay, this is a perfect cutting here, and going to this is a front plane. Okay, and use a mirror, and mirror is select here this okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, both side is cutting here easily. Okay, and going to okay this all point is learn here easily and clearly, and all point is discuss here one by one, and material is apply here, and going to this metal, and metal is this nickel is used here, and this is a use, and all point is a perfect and correct, and isometric view, and okay, all point is a perfect. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this body is a idle gear, and how to this idle gear is designed easily and clearly. And this is a idle gear, this is a idle gear, and this is a isometric view, and this gear is used inside. Okay, and this project is a this is a hydraulic pump project, and how to all parts is one by one is drawing here, and last is all parts is assemble here, and this is a this project is a ready. Okay, and all dimension in millimeter, and this is a 2D drafting is also available here, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is right view, and all view is one by one is you can see here on the screen. Guys, this is a very important, and this is a okay, and this body is drawing here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and this body is perfect and correct drawing here. Okay, okay, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and this body is a rotating here, and okay, and how to this body is designed all process is learner. And guys, this body is designed, and this is a and this lecture is very important for a beginner. A student is very important, and how to learn all process is learn here. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a this body is drawing a assembly. This body is drawing a select a assemble. Okay, and this body is drawing inside a symbol point. Okay, and some setting is very important, and this use a plain white, and going to option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. And at first this body is design use a symbol point and not a part. Okay, and going to this insert component, and this is a new part is a select here. Okay, and select a front plane because this all point is a learn here. This is a use of front plane is better because all point is one by one is drawing here easily. And okay, at first drawing a circle diameter is 18 millimeter. Okay, this is inside, and this thickness is 53 millimeter. Okay, drawing this okay, and dimension is this is 18 millimeter. Okay, and going to extrude boss base, and extrude boss base is 53 millimeter is perfect and correct. Okay, and this use of 53 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this is a better. Okay, 53 millimeter, and okay, and this is a perfect. And this both side is chamfer, and chamfer is 1 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and use a chamfer 1 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and select this and click OK. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And this use exit, and also this body is exit, and also going to this. Okay, also going to this right, this select here, and going to this is a edit part, and this part is a edit here easily and clearly, and all is a sketch. Okay, and exit, and material is apply here. Material is select a nickel, and nickel is perfect, and material is selected at first. Going to this is a appearance, and going to metal, and metal is a nickel is selected, and this is a perfect. Okay, and next is this is a use a spur gear, and this gear is use a spur gear, and this distance is a 15 millimeter, and this thickness is a 23 millimeter, and this is also drawing, also geometry is available here, but this is a automatic is a select here a spur gear. Okay, and at first going to this design library, and select a ISO, and ISO is select here a power transmission. Okay, and going to this is a gear, and gear is a select here is this, and gear is a select here a spur gear. A spur gear is this is select here, and the drag this. Okay, and all and all this all value is this all value is a mention here, and this is a module is 2.75 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is perfect, and number of teeth is 11. Okay, also perfect, and pressure angle is 20 millimeter, 20, and face width 23, all this is a width is a 23. Okay, all is correct. And hover style is type A is better. Nominal shaft diameter is 18 millimeter. Okay, and okay, this is a saw teeth is 11. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And click OK and exit. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And some important point is a discuss here. And at first select this inside face and click a matte, and this face is select here. Okay, and this is a direction is a flip side, and only the relation is a coincident is correct. Okay, this is a perfect. And this is a very important relation, and this relation is very important and perfect and correct. At first select this face and select this face is perfect, and going to some distance, and this distance is a 15 millimeter is perfect. 15 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and click OK and click OK. Okay, all is perfect and correct. But this is a rotate here, this spur gear, but rotation is not a separate, and rotation is both is this is a rotate this body is together but not a separate, but this is a rotation is a only separate here. And this is a both body is coincident relation is very useful. And at first select this use a part, and this use a spur gear, and both relation is a use a. At first select a top plane, this select this plane is a use, and at first select a top plane and press a control button, and this use a spur gear a top plane. Okay, and both is a matte. Okay, and matte is a only one relation is a coincident. Okay, and okay, this is a, and this is a not a rotation rotate here, and this body is rotate both together, not a separate. Okay, and all is a perfect and correct drawing here. Okay, okay, and going to this. Okay, and this body is this spur gear, and this body is this idle gear is drawing here easily and clearly, and all dimension is mentioned here. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And okay, and select this. Okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a drive gear, and this part is a drive gear, and this project is a hydraulic pump project. And how to this part is drawing today discuss here. And today drafting is also available here. This is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all dimension in millimeter. And this is a isometric view is a drive gear, and this project and this drive gear is this, and this is a very important. And hydraulic pump project is a all parts is one by one is a drawing here, and last is a all parts is assemble here easily and clearly. Okay, and this drive gear is a drawing, and how to this body is designed, and how to this part is designed here easily and clearly, and all process is learn here. This lecture is very important for a beginner student, because all point is learn here and all process is learn here easily and clearly, and very useful and helpful. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select this body is a drawing a assemble, and click OK. And some setting is very important. At first plain white, and going to this option and document properties, and image quality is very high, because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. Okay, and at first select this new part is select here, and plane select a front plane, because this body is drawing a front plane is better. Okay, and at first select a front plane, and going to this drawing a circle is 18 mm, and this thickness is total is 105 mm. At first select a circle is this. Okay, and this circle is drawing a smart dimension. This dimension is 18 mm. Okay, and this extrude boss base is apply here, and this is 105 mm is perfect and correct. Okay, this is better, and click OK. Okay, and next is use this chamfer is 1 mm and 45 degree angle, and select this use a chamfer, and chamfer is 1 mm and 45 degree angle, and select this face. Okay, and click OK. Okay, all is better. And this is a body is a cutout is very important, and this cutout is a select this top plane is better, and this is a this radius is 3 mm, and this distance is total is 18 mm, and this is a 6 mm. Okay, and select a plane is top plane, and sketch normal. Okay, and select a center line. A center line is drawing this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and at first select this state slot. A state slot is a this is a slot is a drawing here. Total distance is a this point to this point is a 18 mm. Okay, and this point to this point is distance is a 6 mm. Okay, and this is a 3 mm is perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And this is a better. Okay, this is a very important. This is a perfect drawing here, and this is a 6 mm is offset is cutting here, and this is a thickness is a 6 mm. This part is cut here. Okay, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a at first sketch plane is select here, and offset is a 6 mm this, and use a reverse direction is better, and cutting this body, this cutting this part and this body is perfect and correct. Okay, all is perfect drawing here. Okay, and this body is a exit, and this body is exit, and also select this, and going to this part is edit here, and also this is a edit this body, because this is a finish here, and going to exit, and material is apply here. Material is at first select a appearance, going to appearance and select a metal. Metal is a select a nickel. Nickel is material is a apply a this body. Okay, material is a nickel here. Okay, and next point is use a this is a spur gear, and a spur gear is all dimension is use here this drawing this spur gear, and automatic is a select a spur gear is also available here. Okay, then use a spur gear. At first going to design library and going to ISO and power transmission, and going to power transmission and going to this gears and select a gears, and also all gear is a use here, but a spur gear is very important, and this is a spur gear is this, and all dimension is mention here. Okay, this is a module is 2.75 mm is perfect, and number of teeth is 11 is also perfect, and pressure angle is 20 is perfect, and face width also change here, but this is a 23 mm is better, and hub style is A. Nominal shaft diameter is a 18 mm is perfect, and so teeth is 11 mm, means all dimension is mentioned here is correct. Okay, and again select this but not more than one, and this is a exit, and this is a very important. Okay, and at first select this inside, and this select a mat and going to this. Okay, and not this is a flip mat. Okay, only one relation is a coincident, and click OK, and OK, and this is a drag here. Okay, and this important relation is a perfect, and at first select this face and select this face. Okay, and both is a perfect relation, and this relation is very important, and distance part is select here, and this distance is a 77 mm is okay. This is a perfect and correct. This is okay. This is 67 mm is better. This is a 67 mm is perfect and correct, and OK, and OK. And also this body is rotate here, but this is not a separate rotating here, but rotation this is a together, not a separate rotation. This both body is together is rotation here. One relation is very important. This is a coincidence. This relation is a okay. This relation is a okay. At first going to okay. This is a this part is a use a top plane, and also select a this spur gear is a top plane. Okay, this part is select a top plane and press a control button, and going to this spur gear, and this select a top plane and going to mat, and mat is a this is a use a coincident is this relation is very important, and select OK, and OK, and this is a not a separate rotation here. A rotation is a both together rotation. Okay, okay, all is perfect is correct and perfect and correct. Okay, and guys, okay, all drawing and all Okay, this is a drawing a isometric view, and all point is discussed here easily and clearly, and this body is drawing here easily. And guys, I hope you will learn easily and clearly. And guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.